Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most advanced dash cams currently on the market. The FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam. It's got triple camera recording, ultra-high resolution, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a ton of features packed into one compact setup. Let's see if it's as impressive in real life as it looks on paper. Right out of the box, the FAIMEE dash cam gives a solid first impression. You're getting the dash cam unit with a clean matte black finish, 3 camera channels, front, rear, and cabin or rear depending on your set. And yes, a 128GB card included. No need to hunt for extra storage before installing. Installing it is pretty simple. It uses a dashboard mount and sets up in minutes. Once powered, you'll immediately notice the crystal clear front camera capturing in 4K UHD. That's 3840 by 2160 pixels at 25 frames per second. Alongside that, you get two 2K cameras at 2304 by 1296 resolution. Combined, these give you full front, back, and interior or rear coverage. Here's some real-world footage taken during the day. The clarity is top-notch. You can clearly read license plates, signs, and even catch fine details like traffic lights or pavement lines. The 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens mean you're not missing anything, practically zero blind spots. But let's talk about where most dash cams struggle: low light. This one is equipped with an f1.8 aperture lens, a 6-layer glass optic system, and wide dynamic range technology. The result? Balanced, sharp images even on poorly lit streets. Headlight flares are minimized, and dark areas don't just turn into black mush. This is advanced night vision that actually works. What about controlling the camera? FAIMEE provides dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5.8G, for super-fast connectivity. Just link it to their dedicated app, and you can view live footage, download video clips, or even edit and upload moments directly from your phone. It's fast, intuitive, and completely wireless. Now for GPS. The built-in GPS module logs your speed, route history, and real-time location data. This is critical in accidents or disputes, especially when you need hard proof. You can view your route playback right on Google Maps using either the app or desktop software. Let's simulate a sudden collision. The G sensor immediately locks the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. In the background, loop recording ensures that storage space never runs out. It simply overwrites the oldest files unless something critical like this gets saved automatically. Even when the car is off, the dash cam keeps watch. With 24-hour parking mode and time-lapse recording, it captures any suspicious movement or incidents while your vehicle is unattended. Just note, this requires a hard wiring kit, not included, so you'll have to get one separately. FAIMEE also backs the dash cam with a 12-month warranty and round-the-clock customer support. Whether it's setup help, technical glitches, or replacements, they promise 24/7 assistance. To sum it up, the FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam offers top-tier video quality, powerful safety features, and complete control from your smartphone. Whether you're commuting daily or going on a road trip, it gives you the confidence and protection you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what gadget you want us to test next. See you in the next one.